revenue from the best-selling album Kids Bops on the Autotunes 22. When's that going to stop? When are they going to stop making Kids Bops? Do they know what they're actually singing? Parents. Can be given by the function boom, and the cost is given by bam. Where X is the number of albums sold in millions, people are buying this, really, on the interval from 0 to 6. To determine the number of albums that are needed to sell to break even. Well, we have a technical term in there, and that is break even. What does it mean to break even? Revenue means the amount of money that comes in. Cost is the amount of money that goes out. So to break even means cost equals revenue. You could also say profit equals 0. So, blah, 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 blah. Find X when revenue equals cost. That's what it means to break even. Revenue equals cost, or you could also say profit equals 0. All right. Well, in all of our previous examples, we had it in standard form where everything is on one side, namely the left, and 0 is on the right. So how do I get this into standard form? There you go. So we're going to subtract 75x squared. We're going to add 250. And notice this is now an equation quadratic in form. So this could be rewritten as x squared squared minus 75x squared plus 1250 equals 0. So if we say m is x squared, we have the equation m squared minus 75m plus 1250 equals 0. How does m squared minus 75m plus 1250 and minus, oh, you're saying 50. Works for me. So that says m is 50. M is 20. Oh, I wrote x. I got excited there. M is 25. But did we start with m? No, what do we start with? X squared so if x squared equals 50, what does x equal? Plus or minus 5 square root of 2, because this is square root of 25 square root of 2. Well, here's the deal. What is the decimal value for 5 square root of 2? Sure, but what is our domain? 0 to 6. So can we use 5 square root of 2? No. Can we use negative 5 square root of 2? Nope. You can't sell a negative amount of albums. This isn't Milli Vanilli where the government forces you to pay back people who bought your album. Look it up if you don't know what that is. So these aren't solutions. Let's do the other one. If x squared equals 25, then x equals plus or minus 5. 5 is okay because that's between 0 and 6. How about negative 5? Nope. So how many albums do they need to sell? 5 million.